7 seats, over 1,200 kilometers of range, and a 0 to 100 time of 5.8 seconds. Usually you have to pick two, but Jaecoo says, why not have all three? Welcome back to Revv Evolution, and today we are looking at the all-new flagship 7-seater, the Jaecoo J8 Super Hybrid PHEV. It's elegantly powerful, packed with Napa leather, and promises to completely erase your range anxiety. But is it the ultimate family flagship? Let's find out.
Let's start with the design, because Jaecoo is leaning hard into the prestige angle. At 4.82 meters long and nearly 2 meters wide, the J8 has a serious road presence. It's got this gorgeous boxy but aerodynamic SUV stance, finished off with this stunning 20-inch aero-optimized alloy wheels and sporty rear roof spoiler. Up front, you get this aggressive split LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights. And if you look really close at the doors, they're completely flush. You get premium electric hidden door handles that present themselves when you approach.
Walk around the back and you've got an electric powered tailgate, roof rails for your weekend gear, and a massive panoramic sunroof that floods the whole cabin with light. It doesn't just look expensive, it looks incredibly planted as well. But the real magic of the J8 isn't on what's on the outside, it's what's powering it. Jaecoo calls this the Super Electric Hybrid 3DHT Powertrain. Under the hood, you have a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine making 105 kilowatts. But the real star is the electric motor, pushing out a massive 340 kilowatts and 700 newton meters of torque. Combined, you're looking at 315 kilowatts and 580 newton meters of torque. This is supercar territory. In a family SUV, it launches this 2.2-ton beast from 0 to 100 in just 5.8 seconds. But honestly, folks, straight line speed is only half the story. The J8 is a plug-in hybrid, and this is where it destroys the competition. It has a 34 kilowatt per hour LFP battery, giving you pure electric WLTP range of 134 kilometers. That's enough for most daily commutes without using a single drop of fuel. But when you want to go for those really long trips like up north, you've got a 70-liter fuel tank combined with electric range. Jaecoo claims a WLTP range of over 1,200 kilometers. You could literally drive from Singapore to KL multiple times on a single charge and back.
Step inside the J8 and the Prestige badge makes total sense. You are surrounded by Napa leather, a 4 suede headliner, and a 64-color rhythmic ambient lighting that pulses with your music. The tech layout is clean and driver-focused. You get a 12.3-inch LCD instrument cluster, a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a crisp heads-up display. Audio is handled by a premium 14-speaker Sony sound system, complete with an innovative driver headrest speaker for navigation prompts that don't interrupt your music.
Yes, folks, now let's talk a bit about the interior of the all-new Jaecoo J8. And for me, some of my personal favorites is the comfort of the car. That's right, the driver's seat is 12-way electrically adjustable, and both front seats feature an 8-point massage function. That's right, a massage chair in the Jaecoo J8. That's right. And plus, the front seats are ventilated. Not just in front, but in the second row as well. Really great for Singapore's very humid weather. And your passengers are simply gonna love you. And as for the atmosphere, there's a 3-mode built-in fragrance system and a cool center armrest where you can store your drinks for those long drives up north. It's basically a luxury lounge on wheels. Now, this is a 7-seater, so let's talk practicality. The wheelbase is a generous 2,820 millimeters, and the trunk gives you 200 liters with all the seats up, expanding to 738 liters with the third row down, and a massive 2,021 liters with both the rear rows folded flat.
Hello folks, and welcome back to the section we call the in-car review. And for those of you who just joined us, this is Jaecoo's very new flagship SUV, the Jaecoo J8 PHEV SUV. All right, so as the name suggests, it is a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. And just for all of you newbies who are not familiar with what is a PHEV, you've heard of an EV, but what is a PHEV? Well, a PHEV basically is something in between of a hybrid, which means that this car has a petrol engine as well as an electric battery. And how it is powered is it either powers in tandem, or you have a choice of either choosing a fully electric or just the engine itself. All right, so that's in a nutshell basically what a PHEV is. So what I'm going to do is I really tried to keep it as comprehensive as you can see in the earlier part of the video. I've basically given you everything from the interior, the boot size, the measurements of the car. So now what I'm going to do is really try to concentrate more on the ride comfort of the car and just reasons on why you might want to consider getting the Jaecoo J8. All right, first of all, if you haven't been living in Singapore, of course, let's talk about the very important thing, which is the pricing. Okay, and to buy the J8 right here in Singapore is going to cost you $249,999, and this is of course after all those rebates that the government is going to give you. Okay, in terms of road tax, it is going to cost you $4,106. That's right, you heard me, $4,106. Pretty just kind of on the high side actually. And it's available in 5 exterior colors, and the one that I'm driving is white. And really, the white really brings out the whole size of this car itself. Okay, all right. So, right now is what's my verdict on the Jaecoo J8? Okay, Jaecoo J8. So what I'm going to talk about is, let's first talk about the ride quality, and I think this is really one of the most important features of the car. Is ride quality. It has this technology called the continuous damping control, or CBC as they call it, and it is in Jaecoo's way of the technology they're calling it, they call it the magnetic levitation. You've probably heard of this kind of technology in other high more expensive cars like the Rolls-Royce, where they call it the magic carpet ride. All right, but in Jaecoo J8 they have what they call the continuous damping control, or magnetic levitation. It reads and adjusts the shock absorbers of the car in milliseconds, meaning if you're riding on a bumpy road, all the different wheels actually adjust accordingly to the ride comfort of the car itself. And in real time, it really means it effortlessly soaks up all those speed bumps that you're going on, the rough patchworks, potholes and stuff like that, to keep the car really flat and composed, which I think and I've tried it myself. This is not no BS, and honestly I've tried it on different Singapore has a lot of road strips and stuff like that, and a lot of humps and everything. I really tried to go at speed, and the car really absorbed all those bumps and very smoothly, and it really gives you that really smooth ride. Okay, and also because it kind of rained during our review, this also gave me the opportunity to test the J8's handling with its all-wheel drive system. And this once again, this car really did a great job once again, what it does, it actually distributes the torque on the different wheels according to the road conditions itself. Example, in wet weather, so in some cars they call it anti-slip differentials and stuff like that, but in the J8, of course, what it does, it actually controls the amount of traction you get on the car, and it really prevents wheel slip, especially in wet weather, where, example, you get things like ponding, as we call it in Singapore, and you really want a really comfortable ride. And I did try it out at quite a speed. I wasn't breaking the law or anything, but I was going quite fast to just see how well the car actually handled in the wet, and it really did a great job. And combined with its wide 20-inch tires, to be honest folks, the J8 really felt incredibly planted and even predictable when taking on things like on the highways or ramps and stuff like that, even expressways, and giving me that extra confidence in wet weather conditions. Okay, and another thing that really impressed me, and as what I mentioned earlier in the video as well, is the specs of this car. It is really a long and wide car, and despite that, the J8 really gave me a lot of agility, especially in tight spaces. You know, some certain car parks and corners and stuff like that. You know, other cars would find it hard to maneuver. But with the J8, even though with its large dimensions, maneuvering this 7-seater in a tight spot, especially in like your HDB and condo car parks, or even making U-turns where sometimes, you know, you might, some cars I've seen it on traffic lights where they actually have to kind of reverse and kind of make that turn, but this car really did it so much, did it really effortlessly, you know, as while I was driving. Finally, the last thing that I want to really talk about the J8 is the really impressive selective driving modes. In other cars, you have things like your sports mode, your eco mode, and your, you know, basically 3 or 4 modes. But in the J8, it has 3 selectable driving modes, and on top of that, it also has 4 selectable all-terrain modes. Okay, supported by things like your hill assist, your hill descent control, and really giving you all the choices of the different kind of driving modes that you might want to be in. Things like, you know, things like, of course not here in Singapore, we don't have snow, but things like snow, off-road, and all that, all those terrain modes are actually available in the J8. So whether you're crawling in heavy traffic, you can put it in eco mode, or merging aggressively on the PEIE, you can put it into sports mode, or taking the family camping, or, you know, off-roading, and you can put in all those, you can try all those different terrain modes. The J8 really adapts its throttle response accordingly, with things like your steering, your weight, and also your torque distribution. And also with the HDC, it also ensures that you get a control and safe descent on those steep slopes without applying the brakes, you know. So I think that's a really important feature. And to wrap up this review on the J8, I think it's really rare to find a vehicle that doesn't force you to compromise on you know, in terms of you know, should I get comfort, should I get technology, should I get range. So I think with J8, they've really ticked all the boxes on this one by giving you all those you know, choices. So folks, after seeing all that I, you know, kind of told you about the car, do let me know what are your thoughts on the Jaecoo J8, and if you have any questions, do let me know down in the comments of the video. That being said, I certainly hope you enjoyed this review, and if you please do hit that like button and subscribe to Revv Evolution, and ring that bell so you won't miss any of our updates right here on Revv Evolution. Till you catch me on our next video, whether it's about motoring or lifestyle, this is Rene signing off. And also, once again, don't forget to subscribe.